Jingle bells my arse. So there's that few brace of pheasant and partridge done. Now obviously this is wild game meat shot, so you are going to get some shot damage. Nothing to worry about. This hasn't been knocked on the head, then wrapped in plastic and put on your supermarket shelf. This has come from the sky, baby. Right, these pheasant have been hanging for 10 days. Now, I'm not normally a fan of hanging game, but it really does make a difference. So I'm going to get one of these in the pan. Keep it simple. A few spots of oil. Just going to pan fry it. Not for very long. My God, that is so good. You can see how juicy that is. There's the juice. Mop the juice. Mop the juice. So good.